Hi there, this is Joan of Art and welcome once again to another Ilonggo tutorial session. And this is a banana heart. In Ilonggo, this is called puso. Puso is Tagalog also for heart, but in Ilonggo, we call our heart, like the heart that's in here, kasing-kasing. So it's not really puso for us. The puso that we say in Ilonggo pertains to this flower. It's a banana flower. If you can see the little yellow ones these are baby bananas, but because the banana tree is done with producing banana fruits, these baby bananas will no longer become mature bananas. And so it's time for us to harvest the banana heart to make use of this. By the way, this is a vegetarian favorite because you can mince this and make hamburger patties. So vegan patties out of banana heart. And you can also cook this in traditional Filipino dishes like kare-kare and also what we call tinolang bangus or bangus soup with this. So we are now on the 50th day, actually 51st day of our quarantine, and quarantine measures are being loosened up. So to loosen is halog. Halog means loose, and to loosen up is pahalugan or halugan. Halugan, to loosen up. So, and then they are loosening it up, gina pahalugan. So it's a bit easier now. More people are moving about and some have returned to work while, hey, this is this is Yuli. Hello. Hi everyone, this is Yuli. She's the more gentle one. Unlike Mamba. She's mature, older, and very gentle dog. Mamba is full of energy. Well, Yuli is so gentle. And okay, our lighting seems to change from gray to sunny. It's because the sun right in front of me is, I think it's changed its position. So it's kind of weird because before it used to set here and then a few degrees it moved to there right in front of me. So Ilonggo is not really a mature, sophisticated language. That's why we don't have words for concepts that wasn't introduced to us way back. So we don't have a word for quarantine. So actually, most English words are acceptable in the Ilonggo dialect. So it's okay. Everybody understands what quarantine is. And other concepts that's fairly new to everyone actually, and thus we don't have an Ilonggo word, is social distancing. We can just say distance is kalayuon. That's distance. So to to keep a few distance or a safe distance is palayo. Layo means far or a good distance. So just stay back. Palayo, um, step back. That's to keep a distance. So layo, layo. So a bit far back, layo, layo. But layo is really far or a good distance. So palayo. And social distancing. Wow, that's big. So palayo is okay. And layuanay is to keep a distance from each other. So layuanay kamu. So you stay away from each other. Layuanay kamu. But social distancing, you can say it in the prohibitive form, like Uh, Hindi ka mo magpunsok-punsok. Oh, that's a mouthful. Meaning hindi, no or don't, kamo, you, don't you magpunsok-punsok, meaning to stay in groups or to stay in clumps because, Filipinos, the Ilonggos, love to stay in clumps. The reason probably is that way back, there's always strength in numbers. So in the wild, you just can't stay all by yourself or just you girls or where you can be defenseless to attacks. So there's always strength in numbers. So people love to stay in groups. And quarantine, it's a challenge how to interpret it in Ilonggo. Although we do understand what quarantine means, but I would explain it to Pasit as um, to pahimoyong or to stay put. So it's called pahimoyong. Some call it pamoyong, but it's already corrupted. So it's actually pahimoyong, and the lazy version is pamoyong. So pahimoyong sa imo balay, to stay put in your house, to stay home. Or tiner means it's Spanish, means to stay. Tiner sa balay, just to stay home. Or pahimoyong, no activity. Because when you say pahimuyong, it implies some sort of activity and you are told to stop doing that activity or to stop doing movement or to stop moving about. Pahimuyong sa balay. Right now I'm sweating. When I woke up this late afternoon, it was still 32 degrees. So it's like a sauna. And even though it rained, so I didn't know that it was raining, but still it's really warm and humid, so I'm still sweating. I'm still sweating. So sweat means balhas, and the act of sweating or sweating is pamalhas, and if you're sweating it out, it's naga pamalhas. So, and then if you exercise, it's called pabalhas. So during ECQ, you also need to keep sweating it out to exercise. So it's called pabalhas. It's called pabalhas, nadunlan. So nadunlan means you choked on something. Well, I didn't really choke, but it's choking if you're nadunlan. Anyway, palhas is to sweat it out. So we don't have a word for exercise, but if you do an activity that makes you sweat out, so it's called pabalhas. You play basketball, you run, you jog. So you do all sorts of physical activities just to sweat out. Just pabalhas. And now the sun is gone again behind the clouds. So it's time for us to end this video for now and see you in our next video for more ECQ words. This is Joan of Art. Thanks for watching. From my heart to yours. See you again in the next video. Bye for now.